Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sewing a Mad Hatter costume. So if you haven't watched my other video about me designing the Mad Hatter costume, make sure to go and watch that beforehand. But as for this video, I'm going to be actually doing the making process of it. So here I have my black poly satin fabric and then also my red fabric. And I'm going to be using those two fabrics to sew the costume. I also have a red undershirt that I'm going to be wearing along with black and white striped stockings. I'm excited, so let's get started. To start off, I make the hat. To do this, I cut out a rectangle of cardboard and then another two circles of cardboard with the inner circle the size of my head and then the outer circle as big as I wanted it to be. I then just kind of make the hat in the way that seems like it would be the best. I didn't have a very exact process for this. Then I make a circle skirt. After I have my fabric circle cut out, I also cut out a waistband. Then I attach the waistband to the circle skirt. I also sew in the zipper. Then I finished up the waistband by folding it over and then folding it over again. Next, I get started on making the vest. To do this, I just cut out the pattern pieces, then follow the instructions given to me. Then I sew the side seams and shoulders. Then I pin the lining to the main fabric and use a basting stitch to sew it in place. Next, I make a bias tape and sew it around all the raw edges. Then I remove all the visible basting stitches. And I sew the buttons and buttonholes in place. Then I sew a long rectangle to create a bow tie. And once that's done, my costume is complete.